Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo baby plates. The Kupo baby plates enable you to mount a light fixture or any other accessory with a baby 5/8 inch receiver to a flat surface. Using this mounting option leaves you with fewer stands and less chance of tipping. The baby plates consist of a flat steel plate with holes designed to secure it to a flat surface with screws or nails, and a baby 5/8 inch pin welded directly to the plate for mounting, and a knurled recess for the set screw to bite into, preventing it from slipping or rotating. Let's make what's known as a pigeon plate to get our lighting fixture as close as possible to the ground for an ultra-low lighting position. Place the baby plate in the center of a wooden base and use a drill to drive screws into the holes to secure the baby plate in place. To mount our Electro monolight, slide the baby receiver onto the pin. Turn the set screw clockwise to lock in place and you're good to go. Kupo has baby plates with both 6-inch and 9-inch studs. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.